This is part one of the PC build. I'll show you the components, and then I'm not going to show you building it, but I'll show you when it's finished, when it's up and running, to show you what I've got. I've got two graphics cards there, GeForce GTX 970s. There's the power supply. Corsair water cooler H110. That's a 2TB hard drive. It's the RAM. Got two 8GB sticks, I think. Yeah. It's SSD at 240GB. That's my processor. This is the motherboard. And this is the case. It's a beast of a case. And also, I'm going to show you this. This is pretty cool. This is a mouse I got off Amazon for 15 quid. Look at that. That's beast. Gorgeous. So I'm going to start building this with my cousin. He's going to be doing most of the work because he knows his way around a computer. So when it's done, I'll show it you. I've got the monitor in the other room. That's a nice monitor. I'll tell you about that later. So wish me luck.